Welcome to Keep Heading East, a whistle-stop tour of global feasting. I'm Murray from the YSC Cookery School, where we help to sharpen your skills in the kitchen and keep your cookery journey moving forward. At the YSC Cookery School, we believe that cooking and eating is a journey, and one that's hugely boosted by travel and new experiences. Our approach to teaching strips learning to cook back into 3 simple fundamentals: mastering our 30 reoccurring principles of cookery, learning to consider the brief for every cookery project that you embark on, and thirdly, learning about the ingredients that are available to us as cooks, how they're used, and where to find inspiration for using them. And that's exactly what this series is about. Now, while the first 2 fundamentals form the main focus of our online courses, we wanted to make this series to further explore the 3rd fundamental and dig a little deeper into the variation in global cuisine, regional ingredients and techniques. So starting from our kitchen here high in the French Alps in Val d'Isère, we'll release a new clip each week, taking you on a global tour from the middle of Europe, through the Middle East, Asia, Pacific, and the Americas before arriving back on the shores of the British Isles, and then back home to the Alps via the Netherlands and Germany. So I hope you can join us for the journey. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date as soon as the new clips have been released. In each episode, we're going to be looking at some of the typical ingredients from each country and introducing you to some of our favourite people who've ties with the area, and we'll be linking in their video recipes and cookbooks and such for inspiration. We've put together a fantastic cookbook to accompany this 35-part series with all of our own global favourites from the YSC Cookery School kitchen. And we're offering this PDF version of the book to our subscribers absolutely free of charge. Or if you're one of those people who would prefer to have a hard copy in your hands to follow along, or you're looking for a present that will keep someone busy for a better part of a week, then the book can be purchased from the bookstore as well. So hit the subscribe button, make yourself a coffee or pour yourself a glass of wine depending on where you are and what time it is, and settle in for an all expenses paid feasting trip around the globe. Thanks for watching, see you soon.